Guys, it's Mrs. Dunphy here. So today I'm going to show you how to get started with Prezi. And Prezi is kind of an alternative to PowerPoint or Google Slides. And when you go to Prezi.com, which I will put the link in for you on Schoology, but when you go to Prezi.com, you're going to be asked to get started, log in. So this is the home screen. You're going to want to go to Students, click on Students. You're going to want to create an account, or you can sign up with your Google. That's totally fine. So let's just say, let's see here, 20, and my email address. I'm not a robot. Okay, continue, see what happens. Now it is going to ask you if you want to pay, but you should not be, you do not have to pay for this. So you want to go to, let's see here, Students and Educators. Okay, so yeah, I'm sorry. So you want to go to Students and Educators, and then just press continue for free. Just the basics. And then get started. What's your role? You just want to hit student. So you can, let me see here. So the best thing that I would tell you is just go to click a presentation. You can always go back and explore other people's presentations. You can use videos, things like that, but I would just start with there. Create a presentation. Now here are all the templates that you can choose from. There are definitely a lot of them, but I think that not all of them are free, or maybe they are only listing the free things. But you can kind of see there's a ton of different templates. Now, once you're into one of these templates, you can customize it. So, if you're worried about, oh, none of these look exactly like what I want to do, that's okay. You can go through and customize it. So let's just say simple template. Let me just start with that. So this is the template I want. You can explore the template, look to see, kind of what it's showing. You're going to want to hit use this template. You're going to title it. So I'm going to just title mine Cons of Screen Time for Babies and Toddlers. And then you want to say who can see this presentation. You're going to click anyone on the web or people I share it with, but personally I would just do anyone. It's fine. That way it's easy for everyone to do it. So, and then click out of that video. So here is your initial template. So that is how you get started. I'm going to have other videos on how you actually set up everything. But right here is your title. So this is probably where you would want to put your title of your presentation. So again, Cons of Screen Time for Toddlers. And then you can always expand it. You can also change how large or small. You can change the font. You can pick your own font if you'd like. You can make it smaller or larger. You can even move this around too. Click it and then wait till you see the 4 arrows. You can move it around. If there's something on there that you don't like this is a little element, you can just click on it, hit delete, and it deletes it. Subtitle, you can choose if you want a subtitle or not. I'm not going to have a subtitle for mine. As you can see, this is only one topic. But that is how you get started. You can also, just for basic setting up your presentation, you can go to Style. You can choose a different set of colors if you want. So if you hit colors, the 3 little dots right there. You can pick your color scheme. Like if you like this color scheme or this one or this one. All right, I'm just going to go with this one. You can also go on style. You can pick your topic shape. So here's where your topics are going to be, and you can always add a topic by going over here, but I'll go over that in a second. But you can pick your topic shapes by clicking that little button down there, and you can say I want all my topics to be this shape, or a little cloud, or a 3D box, you know, maybe like a little scribble. You can change that around. Also under style, you can choose your background color or your background. The other thing you can do is if you have a background, like let's just say cons of screen time for toddlers. Toddlers with screens. I'm just going to go images. Oops. Here's an image. Right click, save image as toddler. I'm just going to save it right to my desktop so that way I can delete it really easily. And then I'm going to go back to, oops, here we go. And if I want to have my background be that image, I'm going to upload the image, toddler, open, and there you go. So this is really cool because it's super customizable. So there's a way to, you can change your background. You don't have to. You can choose one of their backgrounds that they have. Anything with a lock on it means that it's not free. Okay, so that's how you do the basic steps for that and how to change your basic layout. And of course you can insert all kinds of stuff, but I'm going to go further into that with our other my other videos. Okay, so this is how you get started on your Prezi. Thanks, guys. Let me see here.